Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now, in the menu you should see the watch face option. Tap on it. It will open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. For example, this one. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so let's open the menu again. Tap on watch face, and now as you can see, oh my bad, let's do it again. As you can see, under the watch face you will see the edit button, the icon right here. You can tap on it, and here for example we can tap on data and we can change the widget on our watch face. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to apply the changes, and then you can tap on the watch face to apply it. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.